Hey guys, happy Halloween. Wearing this vampire too. You know what? I'm gonna take it off. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make this pumpkin face, also called a jack-o'-lantern. And I made quite of those. So I made 3 of these, and you can attach threads and you can like hang it somewhere for a Halloween party. So let's get started. So fold diagonally in half on the other side. Now turn it over and fold in half. And on the side here, we're actually making a square base. Now, you know how to make a square base, so make the square base. Now we're going to fold this edge to this line. And this one. Instead of this. Okay. And if you want, it's better to, I recommend putting this behind. Now all we have to do is turn over and fold this edge. And this. And if you want, you can do this here and this here as well. And now we're gonna draw the faces. So let's start from here. Take a black marker, just like mine. Make the rest of the face. I'm now making the mouth. And it's done. Okay guys, so this is the final model it will look like, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's Halloween origami video. And so yeah, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Happy Halloween.